Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Spotify email or how you can change email on Spotify. So to get started, first of all, open up your Spotify application and then you'll be appear with Spotify homepage. Now head over to your library section and then tap on top left corner. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on the settings and privacy. Now you can see the option email. So in order to change your email, what you can do is clear up the email that you have added and add a new email and confirm a password and tap on save. Doing so will successfully help you change your email on Spotify. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.